I got one of you. If you have sunglasses on, it doesn't matter. It's a little dark anyway, so you can have me Ready? There you go.
Folks, inside the food tent, if you're not eating at the moment, please come out here. We got something special. We got this coming across the finish line. This looks like the first place podium finish. Well, I'm sorry, you're second place now. She's first. You right up there. This gentleman carried this sign across the finish line, so we now need an answer.
Yes, baby.
Go.
Oh my God.
My only question was, did he carry that sign the entire race?
All right.